Asia's Queen of Songs, Pilita Corrales.
Presenting the plaques of recognition for the Guillermo Foundation are Engineer Jim Paul Mendoza, Mrs. Jenilyn Mendoza, Dr. Mylene Mendoza, and Mr. Daniel Bautista. Accepting the award for Miss Pilita Corrales is Miss Jackie Lou Blanco.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much to the Guillermo Memorial Foundation Awards for this honor that you've given my mom. I'm asked, even in the past, because meron na rin pong ibang tributes na nabigay. I always say it's such an honor because you have recognized the achievements of my mom, her contribution to not only the Philippine entertainment but also in other parts of the world. But I always say it's bittersweet because that means she's not with us anymore. But I'd like to thank you for giving this award on behalf of my family. Maraming salamat in this difficult time. This eases our pain a bit, and I hope that you remember my mom for everything that she has done. And if you have known my mom personally or not personally, kung ano man po yung natutunan niyo sa kanya, continue to give her honor by sharing what you have learned from her. Thank you, Homer, for making such a beautiful piece for everybody. Thank you so much, and I want to thank Vina Morales for singing so beautifully my mom's song. Thank you, Vina, and to everybody. Maraming salamat. On behalf of my family, thank you very much.
Multi-awarded